Hey everyone, Red Magic is getting ready to launch the Red Magic Phantom Blade, their first console controller, on July 3rd. This much anticipated launch will take place in conjunction with the Red Magic Esports Universe product launch conference, which will also feature the debuts of numerous other interesting products. With its cutting-edge technology, the Red Magic Phantom Blade is made to give players exact and responsive control to improve gameplay. Important specs consist of preheated hull rocker. The controller has a Hall effect joystick that makes sure there are no dead zones, and gives players precise control even during long gaming sessions. Dual mode triggers. The controller has a dual mode combo of micro and linear triggers. This configuration accommodates different gameplay needs and improves the overall experience by enabling quick response and adjustable input pressure sensitivity. Wireless 1000Hz return rate. The Phantom Blade's wireless mode, which offers an amazing 1000Hz return rate, is one of its best features. Because of its rapid return rate, which reduces latency, a crucial component in competitive gaming, player actions are registered nearly quickly. The July 3 event will include the Phantom Blade game controller, in addition to a number of other cutting-edge Red Magic goods, including Red Magic 32-inch QD-LED gaming monitor. This brand new monitor is a strong option for players looking for an immersive gaming experience, because it claims to give amazing pictures and seamless performance. Red Magic 9S Pro Series smartphones. The newest model in Red Magic's gaming smartphone lineup is anticipated to deliver cutting-edge features specifically developed for gamers on the go together with potent performance. The first gaming laptop, Red Magic, a newcomer to the gaming laptop market, wants to offer a powerful and portable high-performance gaming solution. With its cutting-edge features and high-performance capabilities, the Red Magic Phantom Blade is expected to make a big impact on the gaming accessory market and improve gameplay for both recreational and competitive players. On July 3rd, the Red Magic Phantom Blade will make its public debut during the Red Magic Esports Universe product launch conference. Along with the Phantom Blade, there will be other intriguing goods unveiled at this event, such as Red Magic's first gaming laptop, the 32-inch QD-LED gaming monitor, and the 9S Pro series of mobile phones. Tech fans and gamers alike are looking forward to the complete disclosure of the Phantom Blade's characteristics, believing that the controller will be a visually arresting and high-performing addition to the gaming accessory industry. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.